Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. So the tentative seat matrix is available and we don't know the source of its availability, but I think all of the candidates who are participating for MCC counseling are aware that for all India quota and deemed universities, the seat matrix is circulated somehow through all social media platforms like Telegram, WhatsApp, and other social media, Twitter. Okay, so you might be having this matrix, and on top of this, we are expecting that soon they will declare the official result. Sorry, official matrix on MCC portal. Okay, but in this seat matrix, you don't have the category wise details. Okay, but I'll tell you like how many totally seats they have as per this seat matrix. And if you still looking for assistance in the choice filling, in this video I will also giving you about the tips and tricks how to proceed with the choice filling, but you are not sure about the way how to arrange and not have the clarification about the rules, and you want the further assistance how to balance those counselings from states, because you are going to attend multiple state counseling as well as all India also. So how to balance it and how to get the best seat out of the possibilities through the merit. Okay, then you can avail our paid services as well, and these are the ebooks which you can access on the website. So if you see the seat matrix, and we calculated the total number of seats is coming around 12,204. Okay, and comparing with the last year, we see 1,000 around 1100 seat increment. Okay, so these many seat increment would have done in state also, because 50% seat will go to state. Okay, so totally we can see 2160 seats getting increment as per the tentative. Why I am giving the analysis of tentative? Because candidates are asking again and again about the seat matrix, how much seats are going to get incremented, and this has come must have been leaked out from the some of the officials. Okay, but soon you will get it available. The choice filling is getting delayed, so don't worry about it. It had happened in the past when any of the process got delayed, they had extended the dates. Okay, even I will tell you about the Karnataka state counseling, they are facing so many issues. Okay, so that is going to get over by 30th, that is tomorrow. It will also, it is also expected to get extended. Okay, so there is nothing to worry. You have to see the seat matrix, analyze, and then only after everything is done from your side, then you start doing the choice filling. Don't jump to the choice filling directly. You have to see how to use the interface to do the choice filling. And I would suggest do the choice filling on laptop or desktop. Okay, but if it's not possible, then only use tablet and never do on mobile, because it's difficult to do the choice filling. At the same time, there are some high chances of doing manual error, because it's not just one choice you will be filling. You have to put hundreds or thousands of choices, and you could put n number of choices depending on the branch preference. And here you see the tentative seat matrix for deemed universities. Okay, so this PDF was leaked when it was sent for the verification. After verification, they will do some changes, and then it will be available based on the category wise. Okay, and here we see the total number of seats is 5,603. Compared to last year, there are around 320 plus seats incremented in deemed universities also, and it is significant number, because last year there were just around 200 something seat got added in deemed universities. So this year we are getting to see a significant seat increment, which is almost double of last year. When you look at the figure of all India quota government colleges seats, the DNB and NB diploma seat tentative seat is not available as yet. If you have, then please send in the Telegram group that is attached in the video description of the video. That NEET Mentor Telegram group, you can send on that, so that others can also go through it. And coming to the choice filling tips and tricks, you must know which branch you are targeting, and you should also know like how much chance you have to get the branch. Are you in the comfortable zone? Accordingly, how many choices you need to fill. Okay, in case you happen to fill more numbers of choices, it will definitely increase the chances of getting the seat, but it doesn't mean that you will get the worst college. So you will get the seat based on your rank only, but it all depends on like how you're choosing the colleges. Don't fill that college which is highly probable to get in your rank on the top. Okay, that's bad way of doing the choice filling. If you are putting the first option as one of those colleges where you have high chance of getting seat, then what the system will do, it will check the first option, and if the seat is available in your option, then it will allot and it won't see any other option no matter how many choices you have filled. So the system doesn't know like which is better college. In case you are putting like KMC Manipal on first, and you're putting like MAMC Delhi on second, okay, so they don't know like which is preferred for you. They just know like okay, KMC is more preferred. So even it you have to pay so much of tuition fee, and you were getting like KMC, some better government college, they will allot private colleges only. So you have to make sure that you make the sequence properly, and even you are feeling like more number of choices, okay, the choice that you are able to get, after that they won't check it. Okay, and after every round the choices will be null and void. It means you have to do the choice filling once again. So you can make a list of the choices in the system or pen on paper, and then you have to search for that institute. In case of DNB, you go for Max Hospital or Apollo. So these are the chain hospitals. Okay. So you need to see like which hospital you are selecting and in which cities. Okay. So that address is very important. And if you are not sure, then please mail to the MCC that it's not given in proper detailing. The address should be given, then only you can select. Okay, and you have to make a clear cut approach which branch you want to put first and which branch second, which branch for the DNB you want to put first after MD branches for the government. Okay, so these all things you do the calculation and research and proper strategy, and then only jump to the system to fill it. Filling anybody can do, and make sure that you do the filling and keep saving after every 2 college. It's not going to get completed in few minutes or like 1 hour. If the choice is lengthy, okay, your chances of getting the seat on borderline, then you will be, it will take more than a day also to fill the choices. Okay, so take sufficient break of like 5 minutes 10 minutes after every half an hour. Okay, and whenever you feel comfortable with free mind, then only do the choice filling. Else it is seen that the candidates who were expecting general medicine, they end up getting seat in community medicine because they didn't realize that they have done mistake while selecting the choices, and the server was so busy that it was responding very slow. They assumed that they have selected general medicine, but mistakenly some other branch got selected. So after doing the choice filling, you download the PDF and you check it once again. If possible, you can ask others also to check it, because they can check it from independent point of view. Okay, so these things are required. Okay, and you don't feel pressure that you have to do it now only, today only. You have got sufficient time to do the choice filling. So that's all from our side. Thanks for watching.